Now these come in a range of sizes, the smallest one being a 12 volt 5 amp hour battery, which you would use for like a camera pack or small remote systems such as like a remote trail camera, up to the 270 amp hour 12 volt size. And this is known as a group 8D size battery, or a truck battery. And for marine deep cycle batteries for large use, as well as solar, any type of off-grid use, this size is quite popular. Now, the most popular sizes of these batteries are a 12 volt 100 amp hour, which is a group 27 car size battery, and the golf cart 6 volt battery here. A typical 6 volt golf cart battery is about 220 to 230 amp hours in capacity. These are 260 amp hours. And as you can see, it's a sealed battery, there's no venting. These batteries, unlike a typical gel or flooded battery, can be put on their end or on their side. Because there's no liquid inside to slosh around or leak out of the seals. It's a much safer battery to use, and you don't worry about acid splashing. There's zero maintenance with these. You don't have to worry about topping up fluids. And in wintertime, if you have a remote location or an RV that you're winterizing, you don't need to remove the batteries. These are perfectly safe to have in sub-zero conditions because there's no liquid to freeze and cause ice crystals to expand and damage the battery internally. So with these, we do recommend them for a variety of uses. And if you'd like any other information, please go to our website at www.azimuthsolar.com, or you can contact us directly. Thank you.